This is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. A strong thunderstorm will impact northwestern Huron, Ottawa, Erie, and northeastern Sandusky counties through 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Port Clinton, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Fremont, Port Clinton, Bellevue, Clyde, Oak Harbor, Woodville, Elmore, Castalia, Marblehead, Lindsay, Rocky Ridge, Bloomingville, Sandusky South, Fairview Lanes, White's Landing, and Vickery. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building.